Most people haven't heard of Google AI Studio, or they open it, get overwhelmed and never touch it again. I have used it to generate thousands of dollars in saving without coding or paying for expensive tools. So in this video, I'll show you 3 proven ways to use it to automate work, build useful tools, and create income opportunities while it's still free. Let's start with something which has saved me over $5,000 worth of my time, and you have also faced this at some point in your career. You had an idea to automate a report or a workflow, build a tool, or start a side project. You got excited, started researching, watched a tutorial, and hit a wall. The online documentation made no sense, you got stuck and abandoned the idea just because you couldn't find the right guidance. But what if a live AI expert could see your screen and coach you through any challenge live? That's exactly what Google AI Studio makes possible. It can see your screen, listen to your voice, and give live interactive guidance. Let me show you how. I'm going to go on the Google AI Studio homepage and click on the Chat with Models in Playground option. Go in live and choose the first option here and click Share Screen. Hey, I'm making a video about AI tools which are useful for businesses and entrepreneurs. Can you tell me one thing which I can change in this thumbnail to improve it?
To make the thumbnail even more effective, you could make the words "miss this" larger and bolder to increase its visual impact and draw more attention.
Okay, so I've done that. Is there anything else we can do further to improve this? Just tell me one more suggestion.
You could zoom in a little on the person's face to make them the central focus of the thumbnail.
Now this was just one example. You can use this feature to analyze data at work or for your business, build automations using Zapier, Make, or other tools, optimize your marketing funnel, or show it your current business processes and get suggestions to improve them. Moving on to the second method, have you ever had an app idea but couldn't build it because you don't know how to code? Google AI Studio fixes this problem. I'm going to ask it to build an app where I upload a product photo and quick description. It should create 4 mockups and a polished write-up based on my target audience and make the images downloadable. I hit enter and let Gemini run for 5 minutes. It writes all the code and I can see the app is ready. Let's say I'm selling leather wallets. I upload a photo, add a rough title and description, and see the results. The mockups look good. A quick polish in Canva or Photoshop and I could list this as for sale or offer this product mockup refinement as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. And this isn't the only use case. You can use the Gemini build function to create tools which automate different workflows, customer-facing products, all without writing a single line of code. And if you want to launch your app on the internet, you can just click deploy and it's live on the web. Now a pro tip here, you can use the live screen sharing feature from the earlier chapter to have Gemini review your app interface and suggest improvements. People charge anywhere from $100 to $500 for basic automations like this on Fiverr and Upwork, and you can just build them in 5 minutes as long as you are very clear and have a pain point which people will pay to be solved for. Now, to be clear, this will not replace complex or enterprise-grade application development process. You will still need technical help for those. But for minimum viable products, small business tools, or freelancing, this is more than enough to start making income on the side. Or free up your time so you can focus more on high-value projects which can generate you better income. But to make money, there is one big hurdle. You need to find buyers. And 87% of buyers make decisions based on social media. But creating high converting content is hard. It requires you to learn copywriting, have images, voiceovers, and sometimes video. If you're a solo creator or a small business, that's a lot. Google AI Studio again fixes that. It's your all-in-one content engine. Let's go back to the leather wallet product from the earlier chapter. Let's say I need a photo of a professional holding the wallet. I'm going to click Images, select the Nano Banana, which is the latest image generation model, and upload the wallet and type generate a professional image of a 30-year-old man holding a leather wallet in a corporate setting. And boom, I get an image of someone holding that wallet. Next, I want a voiceover for an ad I want to place for that leather wallet. I will go to the audio, choose a single speaker option, paste the product description which we generated from the app earlier, and select a tone and click run.
Busy professional or business owner, your time is your most valuable asset, and every detail reflects your precision.
Now I've got a voiceover. I upload both into Canva or any other editor and sequence them into an ad. But what if I want to go further and make a short product video? Well, I can do that. I'll go to the video module, upload the wallet image, and type a zoom in close-up of the wallet while it closes. In a couple of seconds, the video is done. But here is the only catch. With VO2 model, you get 10 free generations. After that, you will need to upgrade to API pricing using your Google account, which unlocks way more features, including generating audio directly within the video using the latest VO 3.1 model. In terms of pricing, the VO 3.1 fast model costs about 15 pence per second. The VO 3.1 standard model costs 40 pence per second, and the older VO 2 costs 35 cents per second, but with no audio support. So if you need video with sound, VO 3.1 is better and still way cheaper than shooting professional video yourself or hiring someone to do it for you. And by leveraging Google AI Studio to do all of this, you have replaced Midjourney, 11 Labs, and Pika amongst many other tools with this one option. And creating content for products or social media are services people already offer on Fiverr and Upwork, charging anywhere from $100 all the way up to $2,000. Now you've seen the three main features. Here is a bonus to unlock even more value from Google AI Studio. In the live mode we covered in the first chapter, there is a webcam option. Gemini sees your physical environment and gives advice in real time. So you can use it for mock interviews. It will watch your body language and give live feedback. You can use it for product packaging reviews. You can show it your prototype, or for room design, get instant feedback on your workspace. It's kind of like having a consultant who can see what you see. Now you've just seen how Google AI Studio can replace paid tools and automate work, but what if those tools could run your business on their own without requiring any input from you? That's exactly what AI agents allow you to do. So check out this video where I break down AI agents for beginners and show you how to turn them into your 24/7 income assistant.